Hello everybody, GPCranefam, Uriah right here. GPCranefam's paw. They come to eat their food in the park. McDonalds.
Hold this.
I think so. Hold that for you. Still a little bit of tiny smoke in the air here at Grants Pass, Oregon. Mainly off in the distance you can tell. See, like off that way, it's a little smoky. It's way better than it was. Come on, Uriah. This is Riverside Park. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of roses. Yeah, let's go check out the roses, man. Yeah. Beautiful roses here. Go eat some food, baby. Nice. There's a lot. There's a lot here. There's all kinds of things. Beautiful. There's a little gazebo over there. You could sit down and eat. They have a lot of like NA and AA meetings over here by the gazebo. It's really cool. People keep the park safe, you know. Come eat your food, Pablito. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi to everybody, right? Hi. This park is so beautiful. Look at all the trees. It's a beautiful park.
Wait, this one's down.
It's almost fall. Well, it's starting to fall, so. Those bikes, guys.
Oh yeah, keep your car doors locked.
Show him your egg. Show him your egg, man.
It's right here, guys.
What has he got?
Kind of egg.
Yeah, what's in there?
I don't know.
Let's take a look. Oh, it's a baby.
Yeah.
What is it? It's a baby carnotaur. Carnotaurus. Is that what it's called? Yeah?
He got horns.
He's got horns. Yeah, T-Rex. He's a T-Rex. He plays softball out here too.
What will he eat?
Just want to let you guys know that the smoke ain't all the way cleared yet, but it is way, way better than it was, you know. It was like heck of smoky. We just came to eat some McDonald's in the park. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, hit that bell, leave a comment.
Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo.